Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the YouTube for Business Online Masterclass. Not only will you learn how to create a professional YouTube channel for your brand or business, but also tons of ways to grow, market, and monetize your channel. Over the past decade, online video marketing has become one of the most successful strategies to build brand awareness and to reach new customers. As more and more businesses begin building an online presence, the ones that don't will become less relevant and may get left behind. I've been on YouTube since around 2011, and I've created multiple different YouTube channels for various brands, products, and for personal use. I've always enjoyed editing martial arts videos, and my first YouTube channel was created to host the videos and highlights that I created of my favorite martial artists and for my personal competitions. YouTube can be used for many different purposes, but this course will focus on building a branded channel for your business and using it to market and sell products or services. If you own a business in today's environment, it's almost a necessity that you build a presence on YouTube. People are consuming more and more online video content, and YouTube is currently the best place to reach these viewers. But remember that building a YouTube channel for your brand will take some time, but if you follow along and take action, you'll be up and running in no time. When people view your videos, there are several methods you can implement to advertise products, build brand awareness, or send traffic to your other websites. This course will cover multiple ways to do this after we create and optimize your YouTube brand page. So let's take a look at what we'll be covering in the course. We will start by going over a basic overview of using YouTube for marketing and business and go over how to create your YouTube account. YouTube is actually owned by Google, so you can actually sign up with your current Google email address if you like. Next, we will walk through the entire process of building and setting up your channel. I've noticed that many YouTube channels that I've come across seem incomplete. Properly building your channel will help set you apart from the competition and attract more viewers. After you have your channel framework completed, we will then go over how to upload and optimize your videos. YouTube provides tons of settings and options that you can select, and we will go over how to upload your videos the right way. Once you learn how to upload and optimize videos, we will then discuss various growth strategies and tips to help grow your subscribers, get more views, and gain more attention online. We will also discuss various YouTube monetization strategies, whether it's using your videos to sell products or services, or monetizing your videos with ads. So make sure you take action along the way, and by the end of the course, you will have a professional YouTube channel for your product, brand, or business. Let's get started.